Welcome back to Creative Casa. Today, DIY Path Project Home Ideas, your go to destination for all things creative, inspiring, and practical when it comes to enhancing your home's outdoor space. In this channel, we explore unique and budget friendly DIY pathway projects that will not only add aesthetics appeal to your property but also make it more functional and inviting. At DIY Pathway Project Home Ideas, we believe that your outdoor space in an extension of your home's personality. Whether you have a garden, a backyard, or a small patio, we are here to you help turn into a beautiful oasis. Our video are backed with step-by-step tutorials, tips, and design inspiration to help you create stunning pathway that reflect your style and preference. Watch our detailed, easy to follow tutorials on creative various types of pathway from gravel and stepping stone to brick and paver designs. We'll guide you through the interior process from planning and layout of to construction and finishes touches. Discover unique pathway designs and layout that will elevate the look of your outdoor space. Will showcase different materials, colors, and patterns to inspire your next project. Learn essential landscaping techniques that will complement your pathway and enhance the overall appeal of your outdoor area, from selecting the right plants to creating attractive borders. We understand that not everyone has a limitless budget for home improvement projects. That's why we'll share cost effectively ideas and alternatively to help you achieve stunning result without breaking the bank. Proper maintenance is key to preserving the beauty and functionality of your pathway. We'll provide tips and tricks to ensure your outdoor space remains inviting and well maintained years round. Your home's first impression begins at the curb. A well designed and maintained pathway can significantly boost your property curb appeals, making it stand out in your neighborhoods. Looking for fun and engaging family activities? Many of our projects are perfect for involving your loved ones. From kids to grandparents, it's a great way to bond while improving your home. A well landscaped and creatively designed pathway can increase the resale value of your home. Even if you are not planning to sell, it's an environment that pays off in both enjoyment and potential future gains. Well, explore eco friendly and sustainable options for your pathway, helping you create a more environmentally conscious and responsible outdoor space. Join our community of DIY enthusiasts, homeowners, and garden lovers who are passionate about creating beautiful outdoor spaces. Transform your outdoor space on one DIY pathway project at the time with DIY pathway project home idea. Let's embark on this creative journey together and make your home's exterior truly shine. Happy decorating, Creative Casa.